Now I'll create a neon glow effect with this text. So here I've added my text and I selected text font is Montserrat Extra Light. Now go to effect section and search here drop shadow and add the drop shadow effect to your text or subject. Now select the subject and go to effect controls and come to this drop shadow section. Here opacity give 100% and distance give 0. And then click on the shadow color and select a color for your neon glow effect. I'm selecting this color. And then click on OK. And now we have to duplicate this drop shadow effect for 6 more times. So click on drop shadow and press Ctrl C to copy. And then press Ctrl V for 6 times. And then you'll have total 7 drop shadow effect. Now scroll up and come to the first drop shadow effect, and here softness give 10%. And then in second drop shadow softness give 50%. And then in third drop shadow give softness 100%. In next drop shadow softness give 200%. In next drop shadow give 500, and then next 1000, and in last drop shadow effect softness give 2000. And then here, as you can see, I've successfully created a neon glow effect. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.